Pixel Punks, Megalodon, Monster Jam, Series 46. Welcome fans to the show here on Monster Truck Classics, and we are going to be unboxing Megalodon Pixel Punks and taking a closer look at it. So first of all, let's take a look at the back of the card. On the back of the card, we have Dragon L, Toro Loco, JCB, Digatron, Earthshaker, Thunderosaurus, Speed Jam, Megalodon, Classroom Crusher, and Grave Digger. Out of the package here is Megalodon Pixel Punks, and check out the different colored blues that they have used on this die-cast body, and also the tires, the wheels, and the base. The roll cage itself is different. I'm just gonna go with a purple. Look for it. So I believe that the Pixel Punks is the chase piece for 2026. So let me go ahead and bring it in a little closer, and you can see the little blocks of pixelated. Just the fin is not pixelated. There's a Monster Jam logo. So different colored pixels on Megalodon. Even his eyes look pixelated. Coming around to the front is what the front looks like up top. That's what that looks like up top. Front clip. Here is the other side of Megalodon. And you can see the different color shades of blue and a little gray also that they have. And back on the back of the fin too is pixelated also. So there we have it, the Pixel Punks of Megalodon. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for tuning in.